Near the banks of the Yangtze River in southeast China is a city called Suzhou. It is the second largest city in the province and is a major economic center and focal point of trade and commerce. 4.5 million people live in the city. The city's meticulously designed gardens are a major tourist attraction. This city is also the headquarters of Sunny Metal, the largest metal fiber factory in Asia, producing over 12,000 tons of fiber a month. This fiber is used in the production of brake pads, steel wool, and high-temperature filter media. Let's take a look at how it's made. Coils of steel rod are brought in from the steel factory across the street. The steel rod is then stretched to a smaller diameter and coiled onto spindles. This thinner rod is fed into the shaving machine, which shaves off a thread of continuous steel fiber. The blades are changed often as they become dull. Workers keep the blades sharpened at a precise angle to ensure a proper fiber diameter. Multiple blades on the machine shave the rod and collect the shavings to be rolled up to make wool and fiber material, or diverted to the chopping machine to make fiber powder. The fiber powder is sifted and funneled into 50-pound bags and stacked on pallets, ready for shipment. Fiber is shipped all over the world to Europe, Japan, and to the USA. Recycling is environmentally responsible and important to our business. Excess rod is captured on rolls and returned for recycling. Also, lubricating liquids are filtered, cooled, and recirculated. Sunny Metal, your metal fiber source.